shit. Whew. Well, that's what gets you, just a little stone or a branch under some leaves. Today you join me on what's going to be a very wet ride, I think. I'm heading towards Haldon Forest, and I'm going to explore the forest up there by the kind of official cycling area in the forest. Right now I'm on my way to Kenn. There's a very quiet road leading up to Haldon, which I've come down there quite a few times before, but I've never actually climbed it before. So I'm going to give that a go. On the way down, I'm not going to choose an easy route. I'm going to go for a very hard route, in fact. I mentioned this one in a previous video, Holloway Lane. I think really like it's one for the mountain bikes, but I'm going to give it a go. I did climb that way once before and I had to walk it. Not only is it steep, it's very rugged. I know I can't climb that one, but let's see if I can come down it. So behind me, this is the old Haldon road, joining onto the new road. So there is a cycle lane on this which leads up to Haldon Forest, and like I say, there is a bike park there, so I guess this is a main route now for a lot of the cyclists. So I'm thinking this is probably one of the better ways to go to Haldon. I think it will be a little bit more forgiving than some of the other ways. I've shown the Ashcombe Beast in the past, which is like over 20% gradient, so I think I'm delaying. Let's get on with it. Let's see if I prove myself wrong and it turns out to be much harder than what I thought. Yeah, you can see nobody comes up this way because you've got all the debris on this side that isn't getting blown away, and then the other side's clearer. And we have bike path. Alright, so that was actually as easy as can be. My GPS showed 7% gradient at most. It's probably not even 100 meters, to be honest. Dead easy for coming up to Haldon. Like all the other ways are kind of punishing. On the way back, like I say, we'll go down Holloway Lane. It'll be over this way, and that will be a bit of a punishing descent. I will need a mountain bike for that really, but we'll see how it goes on my gravel bike. So let's carry on, let's go and explore some of the forest. I can't imagine I'm going to get any shelter today, but I'm here now for some fun. Let's go. Let's see if anyone else has braved the rain.
Tell me what you want. 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 Tell me what you
Well, that was my first time, I guess, doing an official coloured trail. The blue trail is meant to be the moderate trail, so that was perfectly fine actually. That was quite easy. Maybe I can bump up to one, I don't know what the next one is. Maybe it pales in comparison to Holloway Lane though, that I'm going to be going to shortly. Just under 2.5 years ago, I'd say, I came here having not ridden my bike since, I don't know, 10 years old. I reckon I stopped riding my bike. I don't know what gave me the idea, but I came here, we hired a bike. We brought our children with us, me and my wife. We hired a bike each, neither of us had ridden in a long time. We also hired children's seats on the back. So they loaded us up here. I was very nervous about it, like how long would it have been, like 30 years since I'd ridden a bike. I couldn't remember how to ride a bike and they loaded my kid straight on the back, so not only did I have to remember pretty damn quick, but if I had fallen off then one of my girls would have kind of gone with me, right? So it got things going. I went and bought a hybrid bike. Now I've got my gravel bike and I'm really loving it, so really pleased that I did that and continued with it. So on one of my videos called Stay Motivated, I talked about Holloway Lane and St Andrew's Lane. On the hairpin that we just did there, that tight bend, you can kind of push your way through some of the bushes and whatnot, and you can find St Andrew's Lane. I'm not going that way today for good reason. It's not really suitable for a gravel bike. I think some of the mountain bikers use that, so once they're done up in Haldon Forest they go down that way for a bit more fun. I am going to go down Holloway Lane now. It does start up a bit higher. I could go up that way, but to be honest I'm done with climbing, so I'm pretty sure this way leads me in as well, and we're going to see how it goes. So I think I've actually skipped the hardest part, because yeah, not only is that really steep, but there's so many loose rocks, like these big rocks here. There's a lot of leaves over the top of the floor, I guess, and maybe there's stuff under there that I need to be careful. I'm not going to go over. But it doesn't look too bad. Maybe it would have been worse from the top. Let's give it a go. Bike first. It has opened up a bit, but there's still plenty of rocks to be cautious of. Yeah, these bits are the ones that I struggle on this bike. I'm not going to risk it. It's only a small drop. I know a mountain biker could just speed over that, but it's not for me. Oh shit. Whew. Well, that's what gets you, just a little, I don't know if it's a stone or a branch under some leaves. My bike clipped it and wanted to go the way it's pointed. I don't remember which way to go now, to be honest. I'm tempted to go the way the road is closed just to see what it's like and why. Let's do it. So I think they've dug out like the big damaged areas. Yeah, they have, look. Oh, try not to do my bike too good, going over them that quick. right, so what a good ride that was. I'm soaked, my shoes are heavy with water, but I really enjoyed myself. I was really pleased to do that climb up to Haldon. It's my first time climbing that way. I have been down a few times and it is really fun coming down, but surprisingly easy going up as well. So although it is like an extra 5 kilometers, you know, starting from Dawlish where I live, it was much easier. So if I want to go that way another time and I don't want to do the difficult climbs, because normally they are difficult up that way, then maybe that's the best way to go. And then I also tried the blue route in Haldon Forest. My first time trying one of these coloured routes. Really enjoyed that. It wasn't that hard actually. I know obviously you can try and go faster and be a bit more stylish in doing it, but that's where some of the challenge comes from, right? But yeah, that's perfectly fine for me. So I don't know what the next colour up is, but maybe I could try that next time. And then also Holloway Lane, maybe I cheated on that a little bit. I did start kind of a little further down, so I'm not going to check that one off as done just yet. I'll have to return to that and go from the very top. Like from what I, you know, the part that I did, it was alright actually. It wasn't that hard, so it'll only be a short kind of and steeper descent of that top part with some of those big loose bricks that I'll need to be careful of. So if you've enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe. I post a new video every week, and you can follow me on Strava as well. My nickname is Every Rider, and I'll see you in the next one.